Hey girls, today I have a heatless, beachy wave tutorial. I hope you enjoy! So if your hair is dry, make sure you get it wet, and this is the first step. And once you get your hair wet, you'll want to reach for your favorite sea salt spray, and in my case I'm using the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe sea salt spray. And then next you apply the spray and just spray it all over your hair. And next, after you spray it, all you want to do is either crunch your hair up with either your hands or a washcloth. The third step is just to comb through your hair. And now we get into the braiding. This is step 4. You can do as many sections as you want. 1, 2, 3, or even more. I only chose to do 2 sections. This 5th step is totally optional, but next grab the spray that you used before and spray it onto your hands. What you'll do then is rub it through your hair like I am doing here. Now step 6 is just to allow your hair to dry. Once your hair is dried, step 7 is to undo your braids. Step 8 is to allow your hair to completely dry and then comb through it. The following clips are my results. Heaven is a place on earth where you tell me all the things you want to do. I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true? Thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Love you guys. Bye.